Bruce. Go play with Grace. Uh-oh. Grace, I think you better put your shoe on. Be nice.
Okay, he's our new dog, so I can be nice. I'm being nice to him in the car.
Yes, you were. You need to be nice to him all the time because he's our new puppy. You better get your shoe, Grace. Hey. Psst. Bruce. Grace, please go get your shoe. But be nice. Just say no chewing on my shoe.
No chewing on my shoe!
Grab your shoe away from him. And maybe put it on your foot. There you go. Good. Perfect. Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's doing it himself.
That's okay.
You're up the zebra.